In this video, you're going to learn how to use the Polygon tool in MathAS. So in quite a few of your homework problems in the next few sections, you're going to have to represent a shaded area in MathAS using what we're going to call the Polygon tool. So let's read the question, and then I'll show you how to represent your work. So it says, the large grid below is a unit, and each rectangle is 1/10 or 1/10 of the unit. Use the Polygon tool to outline the area that represents 2 out of 10. So each one of these long rectangles, you could think of those as orange strips, represents 1/10 of the total. So we want to represent 2 out of 10. So we learned in the lesson you could actually shade any two of these, but when you're working in MathAS and using this Polygon tool to shade an area, you're going to need to shade the leftmost rectangles. So this is how you're going to do it. So notice I'm hovering my mouse or your pen over this square and a little pencil comes out. So you want to click, start in the corner and click, and you'll see a dot come up. Now I'm going to go all the way to the top and notice a line appears, and I'm going to click again on the top of this line. So this is the left side of the rectangle. Now I need 2 rectangles for 2 out of 10, so I'm going to move over 2 and then click, go straight down, click, and then go back to where I started and click. And notice that once I enclose the region, it shaded the inside, so you need to enclose the appropriate area. So for one like this where it's a rectangle, you should only have 4 dots, the ones in the corners, kind of the places where you turn when you're drawing it. So you can submit it, and you'll see that you get a green and it's correct. If it's not correct, or if you make a mistake along the way, you can click Clear All and start over. Now there's one more type we need to look at. This is broken into hundredths of a unit. Notice all the little small squares. So we want 94 out of 100. So this is a little different from the last one because it's not just going to be a rectangle. So we're going to need that 4 also. So I'm going to start in the same spot in the corner, and I clicked. I'm going to go up to the top. Now I need 90, which is going to take me to here. So if I went down and then back over, this would be 90. But I need 94. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Click here, move to the right 1 unit, 1/10 of a unit, and then go all the way back. So the idea here is I enclose 94 squares, but you want to do this in a particular way. It can't be, in general, mathematically, it can be any 94 squares. In MathAS, you need to fill everything from the left columns first, so there are my 9 columns. And then you're going to go from the bottom up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I couldn't fill these other 4, it would be marked wrong. The only dots that you should have are in the corners where you turn. So you started here, here you have to turn to the right, so you click. Here you need to turn down, here you need to turn to the right and go over 1 unit to get 4 more. Then you go down and you go over.